everybody, it's Blyssey and I'm here with my model Beata Berry. We are on week 5 of the Skin Games in the new Esthetician category, and I'm happy to say our treatment has been going amazing thus far. We're noticing a big reduction in pores, and her overall complexion and tone is really making a huge improvement. This week we're going to be doing a triple anti-aging treatment, including microcurrent for tightening and toning facial muscles, glycolic enzyme chemical peel to turn over the dead skin, help with brightening her complexion and just getting rid of all the gunk that can be in her face. And to finish off, we're going to be doing some red LED light to help with inflammation, as well as produce some collagen and elastin, firm the skin, and just give her an overall beautiful glow. Stay tuned as we do this treatment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.